Hello, today I am going to show you how to fix Govee lights not connecting to Wi-Fi. So let's start the main video. At first check Wi-Fi frequency. Govee lights only work on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Now separate SSIDs for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, then connect to the 2.4 GHz one. Now hold power button and press control button 4 times on the control box. Now restart your phone and Wi-Fi router to clear potential connection issues. Make sure Govee Home app updated to the latest version. If not, simply update to the latest version. This problem happens mainly because Govee lights only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, while most modern routers use 5 GHz or auto switch between bands, causing connection failure. It can also occur due to weak Wi-Fi signals, incorrect passwords, blocked router security settings, missing app permissions, outdated app or firmware, or leftover data from a previous failed setup, making the lights unable to connect properly. Sometimes the issue is on Govee's server side, especially if many users face the same problem. And that's it. Thanks for watching.